In the annals of space exploration, the 1960s marked a decade of unprecedented discovery. Humanity, for the first time, turned its gaze towards the cosmos with the ambition to reach beyond Earth. Among the pioneers of this new frontier were the Mariner missions, a series of robotic explorers dispatched to unravel the mysteries of our celestial neighbors. These missions, conceived and executed by NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, embodied the spirit of scientific inquiry and technological innovation. Their target, the inner solar system, a realm of enigmatic planets shrouded in mystery. From the scorching heat of Venus to the enigmatic surface of Mars, the Mariners embarked on a journey to expand our understanding of the cosmos and our place within it. The Mariners were not mere voyages into the void, they represented a bold leap forward in our comprehension of the solar system. Each mission, meticulously planned and executed, brought back a treasure trove of scientific data, reshaping our perception of these alien worlds and paving the way for future explorations. The Mariner spacecraft, marvels of early space-age engineering, were designed to withstand the unforgiving conditions of interplanetary travel. Each probe, compact and lightweight, carried an array of scientific instruments, a testament to human ingenuity. At the heart of each Mariner was a hexagonal magnesium frame housing the spacecraft's electronic brain and sensitive scientific instruments. Two wings adorned with solar panels extended like outstretched arms, capturing sunlight to power the spacecraft's system. A large, dish-shaped antenna resembling a watchful eye served as the vital link to Earth, transmitting data and receiving commands from mission control. To maintain stability and orientation during their long voyage, the Mariners employed a system of small thrusters, gently nudging the spacecraft and keeping it on course. This three-axis stabilization was crucial for ensuring the accuracy of scientific observations. The Mariners were not designed for a graceful return to Earth. Their mission was one of exploration and discovery, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge until their inevitable demise in the depths of space. In the summer of 1962, the Mariner program embarked on its maiden voyage with Mariner 1 and 2, targeting Earth's enigmatic sister planet, Venus. Mariner 1 unfortunately met an untimely end shortly after launch, a stark reminder of the inherent risks of space exploration. Mariner 2, however, persevered, becoming the first spacecraft to successfully encounter another planet. On December 14, 1962, after a journey of over 3 months, Mariner 2 sailed past Venus, its instruments diligently recording data. The data transmitted back to Earth revolutionized our understanding of Venus. The planet, once romanticized as a potential twin of Earth, was revealed to be a scorching inferno with surface temperatures exceeding 400 degrees Celsius. The dream of finding a hospitable environment on Venus was shattered, replaced by the stark reality of a planet transformed by a runaway greenhouse effect. Mariner 2's success marked a pivotal moment in space exploration, demonstrating the feasibility of interplanetary travel and paving the way for future missions to the inner solar system. Following the success of Mariner 2, attention turned towards Mars, the enigmatic red planet that has captivated human imagination for centuries. Mariner 3 and 4, launched in November 1964, were tasked with unraveling the secrets of this celestial neighbor. Mariner 3, unfortunately, suffered a launch vehicle malfunction, preventing it from reaching its target. Mariner 4, however, persevered, becoming the first spacecraft to successfully fly by Mars. On July 14, 1965, Mariner 4 made its closest approach to Mars, capturing the first close-up images of another planet. The images, though limited in number and resolution, revealed a desolate, cratered landscape reminiscent of the Moon. The data collected by Mariner 4 provided the first glimpse into the Martian environment, paving the way for future explorations. Section 5, Mariner 5. A second look at Venus. While Mariner 4 was making its historic journey to Mars, Mariner 5, launched in June 1967, revisited Venus, providing a more detailed look at this enigmatic planet. Mariner 5's instruments, more sophisticated than those aboard Mariner 2, were designed to penetrate the dense Venusian atmosphere and study its composition. The data transmitted back to Earth confirmed the extreme conditions on Venus, with surface temperatures reaching over 450 degrees Celsius and atmospheric pressure nearly 100 times that of Earth. The atmosphere was found to be composed primarily of carbon dioxide, creating a runaway greenhouse effect. Mariner 5's mission, though brief, provided valuable insights into the dynamics of planetary atmospheres and the extreme conditions that can arise from a runaway greenhouse effect. This data proved instrumental in shaping our understanding of climate change and planetary evolution. Section 6. Mariner 6 and 7 Mars in closer view. In 1969, as humanity celebrated the historic Apollo 11 moon landing, Mariner 6 and 7 were embarking on their own mission to Mars, aiming to build upon the discoveries of Mariner 4. Launched just a few weeks apart, these twin spacecraft carried a more advanced suite of instruments, designed to capture higher resolution images and gather more detailed data. Arriving at Mars in July and August of 1969, Mariner 6 and 7 conducted close flybys of the planet, capturing hundreds of images and gathering valuable data on the Martian atmosphere and surface. The images, significantly sharper than those returned by Mariner 4, revealed a more diverse Martian landscape, including volcanic regions, vast plains, and the enigmatic polar ice caps. The data collected by Mariner 6 and 7 significantly expanded our understanding of Mars, providing evidence of a more dynamic and geologically complex planet than previously thought. These missions set the stage for the Viking missions, which would later land on the Martian surface and search for signs of life. Section 7. Mariner 8 and 9. The first Martian satellites. In 1971, the Mariner program achieved another milestone with the launch of Mariner 8 and 9, the first spacecraft designed to orbit another planet. Mariner 8, unfortunately, succumbed to a launch vehicle failure, but Mariner 9 successfully reached Mars and entered orbit on November 14, 1971. Mariner 9 arrived at Mars to find the planet engulfed in a massive dust storm, obscuring the surface from view. Patiently, the spacecraft waited for the storm to subside, and when it did, Mariner 9 began its primary mission, mapping the Martian surface. Over the next year, Mariner 9 transmitted back to Earth over 7,000 images covering the entire Martian surface. The images revealed a world of astonishing geological diversity, including giant volcanoes, vast canyons, and evidence of ancient riverbeds, suggesting a once wetter Martian past. Mariner 9's mission revolutionized our understanding of Mars, transforming it from a seemingly barren world into a planet with a rich and complex history, potentially shaped by liquid water. Its discoveries paved the way for future robotic explorers, including the Viking landers and the Curiosity rover. Section 8, Mariner 10, Unveiling the Secrets of Mercury. The final mission of the Mariner program, Mariner 10, launched in November 1973, targeted Mercury, the smallest and innermost planet in our solar system. Utilizing a gravity assist maneuver at Venus, Mariner 10 became the first spacecraft to visit 2 planets in a single mission. Mariner 10 made 3 close flybys of Mercury in 1974 and 1975, capturing the first close-up images of its cratered surface. The images revealed a world surprisingly similar to the Moon, heavily bombarded by asteroids and comets. Mariner 10's instruments also detected a weak magnetic field around Mercury, a surprising discovery for such a small planet. The data collected by Mariner 10 provided the first detailed look at Mercury, transforming it from a dimly lit dot in the sky into a world of scientific interest. Section 9, Legacy of the Mariners, a foundation for future exploration. The Mariner program, spanning over a decade, stands as a testament to human ingenuity and the insatiable thirst for knowledge. These robotic explorers, pioneers of the space age, ventured into the unknown, returning with a treasure trove of scientific data that reshaped our understanding of the inner solar system. The Mariners were more than just missions. They were trailblazers, paving the way for future explorations. Their successes demonstrated the feasibility of interplanetary travel, inspired generations of scientists and engineers, and laid the foundation for more ambitious missions to come. The legacy of the Mariners lives on in every subsequent mission to the planets. From the Viking landers on Mars to the Cassini spacecraft orbiting Saturn, These early explorers taught us the importance of perseverance, the power of innovation, and the boundless potential of scientific discovery. The mariners, though long silent, continue to inspire us to reach for the stars, to explore the cosmos, and to unravel the mysteries of the universe.